Aloha, welcome back again to, another video of my really unique rubber stamp collection that I also have posted on my Etsy store. This number rubber stamp is approximately a little bit bigger than 1 inch. And what's so cute about it is actually each of the design is come with an animal. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 2. As you can see, 2 is a swan, and 3, 4, 5, 2 birds. We have a deer for number 6. Oops, a very tiny lad. But and then number 8, it look like an squid to me. And then another deer and a doggy for 9 and 0. So this stamp is specially designed. So they're quite unique. I would guarantee you probably cannot find it anywhere else. This is my last box. Not last box, my last set that I have. So if you're interested, just check out the listing that I have put it on the description. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.